In this video, I will show you how you can test the speakers of your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now doing that is very simple. Now just open the phone app and from here just dial this *#0*#. And after you do that, you will enter into the diagnostic section of your Samsung phone. Now on this page, just tap on the speaker option. And after you do that, your phone will play an audio out of the speakers of your phone, so you could test the speakers of your Samsung phone. You can either test both of the speakers at the same time, or you can test each speaker separately. Now, if you tap on this option once, it will play a music out of both of the speakers at the same time. But if you want to test each speaker separately, just tap on this option again, and it will play sound from the bottom speaker of your phone. And if you tap on it again, it will play sound from the earpiece of your phone. This is how you can test the speakers of your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.